Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is 15th of September. In India, we celebrate as Engineers Day in the honor of Sir M. Visvesvaraya. And it's a big occasion to honor engineering innovation, impact, and future challenges. And I'm happy to have Mr. Uday Narang, Chairman and Founder of Seiki Mobility, India's leading electric vehicle company, which is bringing a revolution to the country. It's good to get a quick time, Uday-san, for to agreeing to do have a quick interaction with me. To start with, today, my first question in line is, what does Engineering Day mean to you personally? Because since you are into various segments, your different organization work at different level. So what is
Oh,
Engineering Day for you?
well, great to have you on this Zoom call or this session. Dinesh, always great to be, partners with you in this long journey of green energy and sustainability. Obviously, Engineers Day is extremely important. It's a celebration. It's a celebration of minds that turn challenges into change and vision into reality. That's what Engineers Day means to me. Again, challenges into changes and vision into reality. It's a very important day for me.
And what are the breakthrough technologies you see which will redefine engineering in the next decade?
Well, obviously, electric mobility platforms is going to be something that's going to be there. Solid state batteries, there's a lot of work going on there. Smart energy grids and circular manufacturing processes. This would completely reshape how we build, move, and power the universe. This is extremely important, and this is what the future. And then, obviously, with a mixture of AI, robotics, IoT, a lot is happening, and a lot of new things are coming in the future.
And Uday-san, what role can engineers play in tackling climate change and building sustainable infrastructure? How do you see
Obviously,
engineers?
engineers, yeah, when they sort of shift engineers from just, we have engineers doing manual sort of execution to intelligent orchestration. This is where we see it. What they'll do is they'll accelerate design, reduce waste, and unlock production at scale. If we want to compete with China, that's what we need to do. If we want to be the third largest economy in the world, that's what we need to do. I
And
feel
we
like
have
we're at coffee, Dinesh, I'm feeling like it's coffee at Curran with you.
so because I have been told by Devanshu San that since it was unscheduled, and I take this opportunity to thank you for sneaking in 10 to 15 minutes with me. So I wanted to throw as much as question at you. So which sectors according to you is urgently need engineering led innovation, energy, transport, healthcare, water?
Look,
Out
I
of
think
this,
energy. Yeah, look. Transport and energy for me are on the top of the list. Mobility must go electric. It's very clear, and power must go green. If we are, if you're serious, if we're all caring about, sustainable progress, and I think a combination of mobility going electric and then transport but obviously energy has to go green, whether it's solar, hydro, and other sources of energy.
you have spoken about opportunities. So, what are the challenges in one and in word? What is the biggest challenge engineers will face in another 10 years? Because things are changing very fast with the sun.
Between growth and sustainability, speed and
Okay.
responsibility. This is
Okay.
extremely tech and humanity together. And I'm telling you, this is what's going to change the future
Okay.
of India and the world.
And if you have one piece of advice to young engineers or somebody who is pursuing uh, or writing their exams, what one piece of advice for the next generation of engineers from you?
Build with purpose, extremely important. Don't just build for building, build for purpose. Don't just solve problems, solve the right ones and also for the right reasons. बहुत जरूरी है ये सब काम एक भारत देश को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मैं फिर बोलता हूं it's not about us. It is about India first, and it's about all of this young generation of men and women, especially, as I keep saying, the Nari Shaktis of our country. And that's what is important.
And lastly, Udasan, what new we are seeing in Omega Seiki Mobility 2025, because we are in l- last part of the year, another 3-4 months. Festivals are coming up. I know you
That's
have
right.
celebrated Ganapati festival in Maharashtra.
That's right.
You went to
That's
the
right.
puja. I hope your sales must have gone up.
Yeah,
Now
things are
Diwali,
good.
Durga Puja is coming up. What's new from
Well,
Omega
there's a
Seiki
lot of new
Mobility?
things. I mean, on the 25th of September, we're coming up with something very groundbreaking. We'll invite you. Please come to our partners, XCD Corp Japan's facility. There is something going on there. There are new products coming up. You know, we're continuously at the house of OSM. And I'll tell you, don't forget, I'm already reaching out to the Middle East and Africa. You're going to see a lot more developments going on in West Africa. You're going to see me in the Middle East. You're going to see me, going from, I will honestly tell you, in the last month, I've gone from Mombasa to Mumbai. I've gone from, Abidjan to Ahmedabad. I've done basically Accra, to different parts of the Middle East. So, I'm crisscrossing this planet. I'm crisscrossing India, and I'm always going to say one thing. On this mission, I keep saying it's Mission Impossible. And on this Mission Impossible, OSM, me, and Dinesh, while you're with us on this journey, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep fighting. We don't need Tom Cruise. We are Tom Cruises ourselves.
You, the son, and as a brand ambassador of Samurai Awards, we look forward to see you on 5th of November at Taj Yashwantpur. And thank you for your support and time. And looking forward to meet you soon, Uday-san. We wish you a great day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Engineers Day. And I tell everybody on that November day of 5th in Bengaluru, I'm expecting a powerhouse of manufacturing, and I'm looking forward for every year. One of the best events that I look forward is the Samurai Awards, and I'm really excited, Dinesh, and I've seen it grow to a bigger and a better future for India, but also a bigger and better future to the Samurai Awards 2025. See you there.
Thank you, Uday-san. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uday-san.